Hello friends, in this video let's see how to separate first name and last name from this particular cells. You can do manually by typing name like Sonia, Bhatt, Sandhya Reddy, but it will take more time. My goal is to make this task fast and dynamic. To achieve this, we should use at least three functions here. First is find, second one is left, third one is right. Before applying the formulas here, let's see how these functions work. First I have said that find, then left and right. The find function works like, say for example, in this word itself I need to find the character D position. So you can use is equals to find function. The syntax of the find is what you need to find. Here I need to find the position of the D. So you can use double quote D, comma, where you want to find, I want to find here, close bracket, enter. So you got nothing. Why you got nothing? I think it is case sensitive. Yeah. So find is case sensitive. Okay, that you should aware of it. So we got to know that the position of the D is 4. So if you want to see the position of F, it says that 1. So this is the use of find function. Again, left function, say for example, I want to get the first name here. The left function, how it works means, it will extract the characters from a specific cell, is equals to left. So here you have a text. This is the text, comma. How many characters you want to extract from the left side? If you give 4 means you will get 4 characters. If you give 5 means you will get 5 characters from the left side. That is correct. So right function, how it works means, so it will extract specific number of characters from the right side, is equals to right. So I'll select the same cell, comma, how many characters? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can give 4 characters. So you will get the last name. Okay. So this is how these functions works. I hope you have understood. Let me delete it and let's use it here. So the idea is same. To find out the left, to get the first name we'll use left function. To get the last name we'll use the right function. But we want to make this task automatic or dynamic so that we can use the formula and we can drag it down. Let's see how we can achieve this. Is equals to left, select the text, comma. Here it's asking for how many characters, how many number of characters you need. Correct. So how many number of characters I need? Of course I need 5 characters. But here it may be changing. So here I should put some formula here. I have to nest the formula. I can use the formula called find, which we have discussed now, to find out the position of the space here. See, the space is very common in all the names. After the first name there is a space. If you find out the position of the space, you can get the first name. So what you want to find here, I want to find the space. Where you want to find? I want to find here. Close the bracket and enter. So you have to close the bracket once more. So if you press enter, so you can get the first name. But the problem is, if you use the len function to see the number of characters in this answer, it says that 6. Why it says that 6 means, here the position of the space is 6, so it is taking space also. To remove that, you can use, after find you can use -1, so that space will be removed, means the space, the position of the space is 6, -1 means you will get first name. You can drag it, so this became dynamic automatically. In this case, the position of the space is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 minus 1 7, the first name is 7 characters. Like this it works. For last name also it's same, is equals to right, where you wanna the right side, the text is this one. How many characters you need? Total length of this, we can achieve this by using total number of characters minus number of characters in the first name. To find out total characters, you can use len function. This is the text, close bracket, minus length of this text, first name, close bracket, another close bracket, enter. Drag it down, so you'll get a last name. But here you can see there is a space before the last name, so you can nest the formula called trim to remove the space. I hope this video is informative. If you like the video, please like it, and if you want more videos, please subscribe it. If you have any questions, please ask in comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.